In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly links. If you've ever shared your scheduling page in an email signature, on your website, or in a message, your Calendly link is what people clicked to book time with you. Updating it can help you keep your brand consistent, correct a misspelling, or switch to a cleaner, more memorable URL. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what you're seeing on each screen, and give you a few practical tips so nothing breaks along the way. With your Calendly dashboard open, start by clicking your profile icon in the top corner. This opens your personal settings and shortcuts related to your account. You're looking for the place where your public link lives. So from that menu, select My Link. This takes you to the page that controls the web address people use to schedule with you. On the My Link page, you'll see your current link and an editable field for the link name or handle. Click into that field and type the new text you want. Aim for something short, easy to spell, and consistent with your name or brand. Most users keep it all lowercase and avoid spaces or special characters. Simple letters, numbers, and dashes tend to work best. If the name you enter is already taken or not allowed, Calendly will flag it right away so you can try a variation. Keep in mind that changing this handle updates the public URL tied to your scheduling page, so choose a version you'll be happy to stick with. Once you've made your change, click Save Changes. Calendly will confirm the update and display your new link on the page. Give it a moment to process and then look for the confirmation or updated preview of your URL to make sure everything took effect. A few quick tips before you wrap up. Because your public scheduling address just changed, plan to update it wherever you've shared it. Your email signature, website buttons, social profiles, and any templates you use. If you work with event type links, those URLs typically include your handle as part of the path, so they'll reflect your new link. It's a good idea to open one or two and make sure they load as expected. If you see an error saving, the handle may be in use, contain unsupported characters, or be restricted by your organization's settings. Try a shorter or simpler version and check with your admin if changes are locked down. That's it. You've successfully updated your Calendly link and kept your scheduling experience consistent and professional.